Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall and remove programs that are not listed in the control panel, programs and features. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So a lot of these applications might be Windows apps, so they wouldn't be in the traditional control panel programs and features. So I'll show you guys how to remove them, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Start off by opening up the search menu, type in apps and features. Best result should come back with apps and features right above system settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, you should be able to go ahead and actually scroll down the list if you want to remove a specific program, or you can search the apps list field here to find it. And then you just would select the three-dotted icon next to it and then the uninstall option if it was applicable. Some Windows applications cannot be uninstalled unless you're using third-party software to remove them, which generally I would recommend against. It's not really necessary, but for a lot of them, you can just select the three-dotted icon and then uninstall. The app band's related info will be uninstalled, select uninstalled. For example, an app like this is not going to show up in the control panel, so that's why it's nice to be able to come through here and remove it. Now, it'd be nice if it was in the control panel, but that's not how Microsoft has it laid out in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.